Who? Never heard of it. Good. We're looking forward to seeing you. What kind of toys? Oh, really? For Christmas, right?
Oh, he's gonna get it.
Yeah.
That wasn't me, that was Luke.
I told you about the Harley, huh?
Uh-uh.
Why, is it dying? Hey, Eric. You still working in Fort Worth, dude? So you're home every night. Where's Rockwall?
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Damn, you're lucky, man. You're right there. So, yeah.
He wants it bad.
Yeah.
Wow.
What
Ow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I talked to Jason on this job in Port Arthur. And, I was going to get him the job in Beaumont, but I didn't hear from him, so I go to somebody else. But yeah, man, we're gonna get associated to do it if we get it. You know that. Good deal. Well, what are you working on right now?
Don't touch the lens. Stop. Stop it.